Alright guys, today's video is going to the dogs. We're going to do custom dye sublimation pet tags. These blanks are really nice. They come from a company called Hellbound. It's H-A-L-E. Clever play on words. But I'll go ahead and drop the link down below. They do a bunch of custom, it looks like laser cut or some kind of other CNC metal or aluminum tags. And these are actually really good. They're nice and thick. They're slightly thicker than a license plate. Very good quality, and they come with the hardware to install them as well. There we go. But yeah, it's one of my most profitable sellers. I usually sell them for about $10 a piece, double-sided, and I think they're less than $2 a piece, so pretty profitable item. But without further ado, we'll go ahead and dive into it. All right, guys. So this is where they I ended up buying these from. It's a Hellbound company. It's just hellbound.com, and you'll see Sublimation double-sided metal pet tags, and these are the ones I ended up with. They even give you a nice template and everything if I can find where it went. It comes with the email that you get, but they're about $1.40 a piece. Very nice product. They sub fantastic, but we're going to take you through this. On this one, let's see, we'll open Photoshop. This is the template they provide. We're going to do like a Tennessee driver's license kind of thing, and I already went ahead and did it. It's really simple to make, but we're going to do these double-sided. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to this is just the way I do it. Yes, you can merge layers and all that, but you can also just save it as a JPEG. Open the JPEG because it's going to have flat layers. Go ahead and duplicate layer. Go ahead and do a canvas size. We know it's going to be about 4 inches, so you can just do that. Move it down. Use your square marquee tool and give it a image crop. And you can print that, and you'll have it double-sided, and it'll be ready to go. And once again, on these, we're going to do these at just the usual print settings. Presentation paper matte, quality high, mirrored image. We're going to do ICM, and we're going to do this on 8.5 by 11. So we'll go ahead and get that going to the printer, and I'll see you guys on the other side. All right, guys. Now that that's taken care of, now that everything's printed, we can go ahead and just get it cut. So all we got to do when we line it up is just line them up right there and just give it a quick pop. Same thing with this. Just cut our excess paper. Good to go. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get to pressing. These metal tags are one of the few things that I actually do press face. I usually press them face down. Usually anything metal, I'm okay with doing that. I'm very comfortable doing so. So we'll go ahead and get it face down. Get 2 pieces of tape from our tape dispenser. Go ahead and put one on there. Make sure we're not messing up any of the lines. We're not touching any of the lines. I think we're okay on that. Give it a quick look-see. Yeah, we're fine. Totally fine. Yeah. Something cheesy that I thought about not even saying was metal down, fabric up. That's the way we like to sub. Really cheesy. I kind of like it though. But what I'm doing is I'm doing butcher paper, layer of butcher paper, layer of copy paper, substrate, layer of copy paper, layer of butcher paper. Make it like almost like a double sandwich. And we will be doing these at 375 for, I think, 75 seconds. Let me check. 70 seconds. So 375 for 70 seconds, and we'll go ahead and get that. So we'll go ahead and get those pressed, and I'll turn this back on when it has a few seconds left. All right, we're going to go ahead and re-record everything. That was a complete mess. But anyway, the first side turned out really nice. Let's focus on that. Turned out very nice. I mean, the detail's good. I'm very happy with it. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and sub the other side. Put your paper down, get it situated. We're going to do this one There we go. We're going to do this in face up. Not face up, sorry. We're going to do the printed side. We're going to print the other side. God, tape is getting on my nerves today. Tape is freaking annoying. Okay, there we go. So we're subbing the other side, so we're going to go ahead and do that. Butcher paper, copy paper, substrate, copy paper, butcher paper. 370, 70 seconds. We're going to go ahead and do that. And then we'll be good to go. Should have everything taken care of. All right, we got 10 seconds left. Make sure that you have your heat-proof gloves on. I cannot stress enough that metal is extremely hot and it really sucks to touch it. So, heat gloves on. For some reason, that suction likes to stick with smaller substrates. That's why we have to tape that, and particularly. Here's our substrate. Now we just peel it off. Oh, didn't really want that, but. And now you can see it's a little warm. Let me refocus. Let me get ready to refocus. One side. And the other side. Turned out super nice. Very happy with it. Makes me happy to do things for people. There we go. Good to go. So yeah, we'll go ahead and let that cool off, and we'll do a final thoughts on it. All right, guys, another successful print, another happy customer. Life is good. But yeah, these tags again are available at the Hellbound company. Once again, a link will be in the description below. Obviously, if you found this video helpful, if you can subscribe to my channel and throw this video a like, you know, I'd definitely appreciate it, as always. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks.